We now have the capability of adding a manual entry-like process to capture the last 4 numbers of a credit card. So in your setup, if you come over to the payment methods area, here underneath financial, you'll notice at the end of these credit cards that I have a new column called collect payment information. So if I were to open up one of these cards, let's use the American Express as an example. We tell it we want to collect payment information. And then we hit OK. Once we do that, we hit save. Now let's go see how this works. So we'll go over to work orders. Let's go post out an invoice. So we're going to post this out. We're going to select American Express as the payment. And when I click on add, you're going to have a new screen that comes up. Here you can enter a name, last 4 digits of a credit card, maybe a transaction ID or an authorization number. You can add any or all of this. Let's just say I want to put the last 4 digits of the credit card. I select OK. Now it's paid. I click on next, and then I can post it out. So once this is invoiced, let's go refresh. We go open up the invoice itself. And if we look down at the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see here is the information that I've entered. Now, mind you, if I go and do this, let's do a second one, and I make a mistake, then you're going to run into a problem. So if I hit post, and let's say they're going to pay the entire thing. I hit add, again, put whatever information I want to put. Select OK, and they can't do it. So I cannot remove this once it is entered. Cannot do it. So if that's the case, how am I going to fix this? The only thing you can do is, once this is a posted invoice, is to go change the payment method in the cash drawer. So even if I were to cancel this operation and go back and try it again, it will still be there. Can't change it, can't remove it. So at that point, I would still have to post it. And then I can go to my cash drawer in the banking and change it. So if I go down here to American Express, there it is. I can change my payment method to a different one. Let's go look at that invoice. We'll refresh that. Refresh again. Let's go pull the invoice up. And now it's changed the payment method. So you want to be a little bit careful with that when you're making your entries.